Hi everyone. All right, let's go over worksheet 57. You should have watched the video about diphthongs OU and digraph OU. So now we're going to fill out our worksheet. We have some words here we're going to read together, actually repeat after me, and then we'll do our short story. Okay, ready? I'm going to check them off as I read them. First word, sour. Group. Knee, fiddle, batter, green bean. Okay, so now let's code our words and we'll match them to the picture. First one we have is sour. Ow. It's got the O-W sound. Ow. So we have diphthong, O-U. We're going to put an arc there. Next one we have is group. Ooh, it's kind of got an ooh sound there. So we're going to underline OU, cross out the O, put a macron over the U to make it sound like a U sound, group. Okay, next, knee. We have K-N, that's that ghost digraph there. Can't hear that K, so we're going to cross it out. We have double E, can't hear that second E. And we will do a macron over the first E. Next one, we have fiddle. Fiddle. Do a bracket over that final stable syllable. Short I sound. Cross out that quiet E there at the end, and it's fiddle. Fiddle. So we're going to accent the first syllable. Next, batter. Batter. So we have two syllables there. We're going to divide between the two letters. We have a short vowel sound. We have two vowels. So let's go ahead and mark those two vowels. And we would have a V-C-C-V. We're going to do an arc under the ER, batter. And we say the first syllable a little stronger and harder, batter. Last one, green bean. Two separate words there. We have two E's. We're going to cross out the second E, the macron over the first E, and bean, very similar. E-A, cross out the A. We don't hear that A, and macron over that first E. All right, so let's match up some pictures. First one, looks kind of a guitar kind of thing. Which word would match that? We have sour, group, knee, fiddle, batter, green bean. And that's the fiddle. Next, the arrow is pointing to what part of the leg? Looks like the knee. And the last one is several people together. Looks like they're singing together. So when you have several, more than one, more than a couple actually, you might have a group. Okay? All right, let's read our short story together. We're going to underline the details before we answer the question. Story is, Kim's Uncle Jeff has a little house on the shore near the lake. Kim likes to hunt for rocks on the shore and swim in the lake with her uncle. Kim is happy that she gets to go to her uncle's house next week. Question number 7. Where is Kim going? She's happy about what? She gets to go to her uncle's house next week. So where is she going? To her uncle's house. Okay, number 8. When is Kim going to her uncle's house? We've got 3 choices. In the summer, for lunch, or next week. And it's the same line we just underlined. Next week is what it says there. Last question. Kim swims with her uncle. Does she do that? Well, when you look in the second sentence, it says Kim likes to hunt for rocks on the shore and swim in the lake with her uncle. So yes, she does like to do that. And she does. Okay, I am finished. You're going to flip your paper over, work on it independently, and turn it into your teacher. Have a great day.